4 tips for taking awesome notes in chemistry. Tip number 1. Always take notes before you take notes in chemistry. Sounds kind of crazy, right? Well, let me explain. What I used to do in chemistry class in high school is to find out what the next topic would be in chemistry. Then I would go home, skim through that chapter in my textbook, take small little notes so that I won't be lost in chemistry class, and then when I entered the classroom, I was able to understand much better. What you can do also is have a note-taking guide. That way, you can just fill in the blanks as your teacher explains. Tip number 2, always take notes beside your notes. Again, sounds kind of crazy, right? But let me explain. There are many connections in chemistry. One concept in chemistry is connected in multiple ways to other concepts in chemistry. The easier you can understand these concepts, the better you can understand chemistry on a whole. So, to make those connections is always important when studying chemistry. Tip number 3, always share your notes. I don't mean your literal notes, but help someone else to understand what you understand clearly. That way, you get another opportunity to understand what you already know. When you can explain what you know very well, it deepens your own understanding. And tip number 4, delete your notes. I don't mean delete your notes completely, but try to memorize key concepts and key solutions to problems so that you don't have to rely completely on your notes. The more independent you get in remembering your concepts, the better your test-taking skills.